within about 2 months of go live. So we had NetSuite professional services for about 6 weeks officially, but it extended past that, and started to realize that we were running out of hours, that were kind of a fixed bid situation. So we doubled the hours that we were allowed pretty quickly, just trying to stabilize, continue with any kind of customizations and enhancements, things like that. So with the help of that consulting firm that helped us kind of manage the selection and go live, that they were the ones that actually connected us and found ScaleNorth for us. And at that point, I would say within about month 2 or 3 of post go live, we engaged with ScaleNorth. So at that point, kind of did a handoff from NetSuite's professional services to ScaleNorth, and from that point, I guess the pace really picked up in terms of understanding what capabilities were there that we weren't tapped into yet, or what enhancements, customizations, what have you. Also, maybe some point solutions that we needed as well, because we had e-com, we had EDI, we had tax, we had all these other things that maybe NetSuite had a connector or a partner that worked better than maybe just native NetSuite on a standalone basis. So ScaleNorth brought some of that to us, got ScaleNorth involved, and started to kind of, I guess, break through those issues and those challenges. And I would say within about probably 3 to 4 months post go live, we were starting to kind of see the light at the end of the tunnel. We knew we had a lot of work to do. Yeah, I mean, everybody seems to be, I'm not hearing the, hey, I hate this system anymore. The naysayers are kind of going away, I guess. Definitely like the fact that ScaleNorth was a NetSuite practice, so it wasn't an organization that dealt in multiple systems. So if you're looking for a subject matter expert and someone who's been through different types of implementations within the ERP system that we use, that was definitely a benefit. And just meeting the team, understanding the process, just the personalities and the culture, and that's always important. So it just seemed to fit with the way we operate and the people that we have in our organization that will be working with the people within ScaleNorth. Working with the team's been great. We were having multiple meetings per day. Then we went down to a few a week, and then once a week, and now we're down to fewer. So that's always a good thing when you can do that. But there's always projects going on in the background. But what's been the most helpful are bringing in these point solutions, sales tax, a lot of integrations through Celigo, and just credit card, you name it. But just the ability we bring a problem, and ScaleNorth has been able to say, well, there's these third-party solutions out there that either have a connector through Celigo, or it's built to connect directly with NetSuite, or we can modify it however you want to make it work. So knowing what's out there in the universe that could address an issue that we have, without maybe going back to NetSuite or doing some kind of a really deep dive, really expensive, lengthy scripting or customization. There's these other applications over there where someone's already had that issue and has developed some kind of a solution for that. So bringing those options to us and helping us understand and kind of vet those out, I think has been very helpful. We haven't considered going with anyone else since we partnered up with ScaleNorth. I think just the responsiveness, relationship, the skill, the talent, the team, just the ability to work through issues. I don't know that I'm sure there's been a few instances, but very few where the answer was, well, it's just not going to work, or and if that's the answer, it's typically because it's something that NetSuite has on their roadmap, maybe a future enhancement. But I would definitely recommend them. Just easy to work with. It helps stabilize us very quickly, and we have a very complex organization, complex business, with some people that have been around the company for a long time. So you have that reluctance to change. So to be able to get those people on track with the system is a big challenge. So we were able to do that for the most part.